morning guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So today is December 24, which means in a few hours it is Christmas. So Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Happy Christmas, happy holidays. Today we are going to be doing the Christmas gift giving. So we have here all the gifts in the terrace. So here they are right now. Yesterday we went to the city to get all of this stuff. We went to Metro. Yeah, it was such a crazy day. I was really busy. Yeah, I'm so happy that a lot of people here were also helping us trying to pack everything. For the meantime, we are currently trying to transfer all of the bundles of joy from the inside, putting it here in the terrace area. Saika and Syra, they're trying to help me transfer this to here. I am perspiring. We are going to be giving 40 families these bundles of joy here in the countryside. And if you guys do not know, it has been a habit of mine to share my blessings. The people here are really close to me. Most of them are my relatives and families as well. Also, I want to thank the people who has sent their gifts through PayPal and also for watching my videos. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for interacting with me, supporting me all throughout the way. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to share my blessings to the people here. Thank you for the people as well who supported my GoFundMe. And if you guys can remember, that was like 2 months ago that I opened a GoFundMe account for the Christmas gift giving, which I have already closed. A lot of you guys also support that. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, from the people here. Thank you. I cannot say thank you enough, but thank you guys. We are so grateful. Now, each of the families will be receiving 2 of these plastics. So we have this 5 kilos of premium rice. We had about 5 sacks of rice. And we have a weighing scale, so we have to kilo everything, 5 kilos for each. And then aside from this one, we're also going to be giving this plastic over here. What's inside this plastic? Let's open it, guys. 1 loaf of bread, and then we have here some coffee. We also have here some noodles, and then we have here some canned goods. So this is very little, but I know that the people here are grateful to receive something, especially during this pandemic. Most people here are really struggling this year because they don't have a job. So later on, I'm going to be sharing it to you guys as well, how we share it to them. And also we're going to have a small party for everyone, like with the games and all. So I'm so excited for that. And also, aside from the families, I'm also going to be giving some loot bags for the kids, which Syra and Saika is so excited about. Then I also have a box of some chocolates and candies and lollipops and jelly A's and stuff. For guys, update, we have 2 families that wasn't included in the list. So I asked my papa to grab a few groceries in a convenience store here. And then currently, I just got like 10 kilos from my supply for myself here in the house. I still have like half a sack of rice, so I'm gonna get 10 kilos from there. This is what we were using last night to kilo everything, so it should be 5 kilos. Alright guys, so it is now 4 p.m. and we are about to start our Christmas party / gift giving here in the countryside. So we already have the people here, and each of the families are bringing their own tables and their own food, because we're also going to be sharing all of our food later on. So we have here all of the bundles of joy that we're going to be giving to them. And yeah, again, thank you so much for all the people who have supported me in this channel, and thank you so much for all of your gifts that you guys sent to me. So without further ado, Merry Christmas, and let's go ahead and start. So karon Pasko naman gyud no. So Merry Christmas natong tanan. So bisag ka ng pandemic ang gyud bisag kaayo. Bisag gamay na ako ihatag sa inyo ha.
Mga unta ginagmay, salamat kaayo ha, nagdaging og mga pagkaon. Si Mami wala pa naabot, ano to siya da, unya na lang sa ta mga on nya karon magsugod na lang ta, magampo sa ta. Dali day.
Larga. Tabay. Tanawa. Pita. Dali. Ay. Abante.
Yay! Apat!
Nawa. Atala kalmahan mo tikang. Oh, so suana apit matumbi. Larga bos. Sunat bos, sunat. Ayay, wak na. Ikaduha gini. What? Ayay. Gamay gituan. Ay, sabihin na daw. Sabihin lang. Yan ang panron. Ayay. Patay. Hindi. Ang baya. Kita parang bos. Lagi anda champion si Miss Mrs. 3. Ayay. So, anda kita mga kahulog kita muna. Apit na si Apay. Apit na yun. Video. Tingnan mga kahulog kita muna. Ay, hindi kaya mo yung amoy. Pwede na mayaw. Kan lagi tu. Sus, wala ila hapit ang murok, wala agad. Ano, kamay na lang, kung sa kahon na lang yun. Ano, lagi diri. Ya, Rusil, hapit na sa. Gamay na lang yun. Katagad ka lang, wala yun. Di, ano yun, wala yun. 1, 2, 3.
Mana?
Nalay mo premium dia. Maritin mo.
Isa ka sa ako mabas! Bring me Rosa! Congratulations! Bring me Tingkahoy! Congratulations!
Next balon.
Mami Hilen! Para si ako! Michelle!
Thanks.
Papa!
Salamat! Merry Christmas!
Russell!
Nabutang na lang.
Ito na ako ihatag ang usa ka sa akong bugas, 50 ni ka kilo. Ako ni ihatag ni Jojo!
Ah!
Bonus ni, kay sila may naghimo sa akong payag.
Salamat.
Ako pagiya, dugay ng trabaho, pero wayo sa sako na na. 5 ra ka kilo. 5 ra ka kilo di tinod. Ako pagiya.
Alright guys, so finally we have finished our Christmas party and it was very successful again. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, Happy Holidays to each and every one of you wherever you are in the world. Please comment down below which country are you celebrating Christmas. I would love to know. Right now we are currently preparing for Christmas dinner. Look, this is our fruit salad guys. My sister is trying to put it in this cup because we're gonna give some to my uncle, and then after that we're gonna make some favorite mango float. There you go. So right now I am currently doing the mango float. This is my favorite. I don't know how many times did I share it to you guys.
that mango float is my first thing. I wash my hands, okay? So I'm clean. Hey guys, so I just finished preparing our mango float and our fruit salad. My sister is currently cooking chicken adobo. Well, I said that I'm gonna cook, but I am a bit tired, to be honest, like carrying all of the 5 kilos to give it to everybody. Right now I have my blanket on because I am feeling a bit cold. I'm here in a terrace and I absolutely love staying in here because it is colder, and when you actually stay inside you cannot really feel the wind that much because we have to close it because there are like mosquitoes. But anyway, right now I'm actually speaking with Roaming Hogan. Hello, say hello to everyone.
Hello, hello. Merry Christmas, people. Well, Merry Christmas tomorrow, people.
Yeah, they're gonna watch it tomorrow though.
Oh, will it be? Okay.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
So how's Ireland? Is it cold?
Cold. It's rained every day since I've been back.
I know.
Crazy. Hopefully next year's better. I've had enough of this year now.
I know.
So get Christmas out of the way and next year we'll go again.
Yeah. Nice. And while speaking to Tom, I have here this food that was prepared by the people here. They were giving me a lot of food. There are some food there as well. And we have to put the Christmas tree here in the terrace because it looks nice. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you so much for all the people who have supported me all throughout this year. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I am deeply grateful. Yeah, I'm just so amazed that I was able to share my blessings to the people here, and they are very thankful as well. Thank you again guys, and I really hope that you will continue to support me the next year of 2021. I hope that there will be no more pandemic, and I hope that we will have a brighter 2021. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel. And as always, Merry Christmas. I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.